how, it's been, of course, a good journey, like 4 years, 5 years. There are people who are 3 years, 2 years, whatever it is. You all, we really thank you. The company thanks you. My family thanks you. Your family also, we thank your family to support you guys. And everyone has a story. If I do it, then it will take, it will go on and on, right? So I don't want to do it, but I literally give you what do you call it, doing this? Bow down to all of you. Please continue your hard work, continue supporting us, and that will help everyone. So once again, thank you so much, Tejas. Happy holidays. Thank you, Sunny. Thank you, Kadhi. Malin bhai, thank you so much. He's another, he's another fighter, I would say, going with 40 people, 50 people on tour as a tour escort, just like Sunny. He's been really nice. He's been handled tough situations. I know his wife sometimes, maybe, if it's a double tour, 30 days tour, 40 days, she's counting. So I know, but thank you so much, Nalin bhai. You have been very nice and keep continuing your good work. Thank you, Anna. Anna is, come here, please. Anna, I don't know what to tell her. I mean, I think she is so energetic. Such so that koi baat nahi. See, she is so much in love with the company, with the team, with the family, that she learned few of the words. She also learned some bad word, I guess, which she uses on me sometimes, but it's okay. So thank you so much, Anna. She handles student groups. She has done phenomenal job. I know I don't thank people every now and then, but I guess this is a good time to thank. And you have done a great job. We really appreciate and look forward on it. Okay. Thank you so much, Sherry, again. Sher Khan. That is what the company is telling. But no, she, I mean, I've seen, of course, in the season time, everyone works hard. Everyone works on Saturday, Sunday. No, they come whenever we tell. So this is what we expect. But I have seen them working 4, 5 in the morning. And that's amazing, guys. That's something. That is why the company every year has been growing and growing, and it's just 7 years, but with your support it will grow and grow. Thank you so much again. Happy holidays. Trilok, I don't know when you're going to be it, but I think he's putting all his weight on the company, right? So he's not growing only, but I don't know what to say. This guy, he's young in the company, but he is older than me, I feel sometimes. He teaches me, all of you guys teaches me how to, run. They think I'm too nice, and they are the one who sometimes tells me, do not do that. So that's what. So it's not only my wife who says, but my people also say. So that's what it is. So thank you so much, Trilok. Rahim, he is into airline. He's recently joined, but he's been very instrumental. He's been really working hard on it, and it's a new division where we really look forward to grow and continue, expanding that division. So thank you so much. You are not supposed to be here.
I have to be here.
Everyone knows. I don't want to talk about it.
No, I'm very important.
Okay. Well, thank you so much. Okay. Okay. Thank you. I'll tell you later. Yeah.
You could
We
think
need to.
that.
I mean, we need to.
Yes, we need to show the guys.
Yeah, exactly. Helen is from Ukraine. A very nice. Ukraine, right? Yeah. So thank you so much, Helen. You've been worked in some accounts. You've been working in operations. Wherever the company needs it, she's been doing good job. You've been helping Anna with some student groups. Even though you had some family time where you need to go, but you have always given importance to the company. So thank you so much. Happy holidays. Kirsten, she handles emails, and she had some, sometimes she has been this thing, but she health issues. where we all know we pray for her, but she is up despite of all that. She has been working so hard in the company. I do sometimes tell you, move forward, but I know you've been doing great and you have been really a good asset to the company. So thank you so much. Continue doing your great work. She is my financial mom. She is really my financial mom. This is my, of course, an actual emotional mom, but even if I have to ask for $10, I have to go through so many approvals. Sometimes I am fed up, but at one time when I think it's really good. And that is why our company is growing. So thank you so much, Z. We really wish you, and you have been a very great asset to the company. You have been a very good part. Why we are growing is one of the important reasons is you. Holding the money, making sure there is no overpayment, fighting with our own team. That is also important, and that is what she is. She is the tough lady. Sometimes too much tough, but it's okay. Sometimes I have to calm down. But thank you so much. Happy holidays. Sudha, whatever I give her, she does it. I don't know, and I don't have to teach you. I don't have to, you either it's call, either it's whatever. So thank you so much. You have been really nice. We have been a good part of the company, and continue doing that. Thank you. Ashwin is he recently joined. He's been doing in operations. We really look forward, Ashwin, like you have seen the team. You joined the team along and be with the company for many, many years and continue doing good job. Thank you so much. Amber has also been recently joining the company doing operations. And as I told Ashwin, I really look forward that you do a great job with the company, work hard, and many, many happy holidays and Merry Christmas. Thank you. Arzina is also into operations, and I wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and do your good. Okay? Thank you so much. Dipti, she moved from Atlanta to Orlando just to work for us. So I really appreciate that, Dipti. You, within a short span of time, you have learned a lot. You have been independently operating operations. We really appreciate and hope you continue doing that. Okay? Merry Christmas. Jose, this guy moved all the way from Puerto Rico. So we have people who have just moved just for the work over here. So we really appreciate. I think your family is coming. Yes, December 30th. So yes, he does all the creative side of website and e-marketing and all that. So continue doing good job. Merry Christmas. Enjoy the holidays. Okay, Megan. So Megan is again. She is so prompt in operations. Sometimes if you message her, she is right there and messaging back. So it's been you've been a real great asset to the company. During the operations, during the high seasons, low seasons, whatever it is, you have done what we said, and we really hope you all the best and continue doing good work. Merry Christmas to you. Thank you so much. And Sanhima, come here. So, Uncle, please, how can I forget you? Our office is clean, neat, and healthy, or whatever environment is because of this guy. So please have a round of applause to this guy. He works before we even come to our office and sit on our desk. He comes before that, make sure everything is clean, up and running. Whenever there is problem, he will come immediately, fix it. So, Uncle, I don't know Spanish, but gracias. Thank you so much. Thank you. Happy holidays. Well, Feliz Navidad. And Tejas and Hima, come please. Hima and my father also please. We are almost ending, so guys, don't worry. Yes, this is very important for me. I don't want to stress too much, but we don't get to appreciate people. We don't get time during our ongoing things, and this is the best time. We look forward to talk to everyone and enjoy. Today I am here. Today I know whatever I am doing is because of my father. It's a history where we started. I've been in even Maxim Tours is 7 years, but I've been in this industry for 12 years. So he's been always a very, very strong backbone for me, for my family, for the company. Whenever there is any kind of an advice, he is the right person we need to ask. I think my team also loves him so much for several reasons, right? So thank you so much, Papa. Thank you. I really stay healthy. Company needs you a lot. Company wants you to, give good advices. And thank you so much.
Thank you.
Nilesh bhai, did you came over here?
Yeah.
Okay. See, our team is growing. I mean, it's good. We're going to, yes. And Hema, she is the vice president. I don't want to say her nickname, no, because she is going to fire me tomorrow. Actually, honestly, I may be called the CEO, but it's just on papers. She is the one who is really doing all kinds of work and making sure the company, the team, everyone is running right. I don't think I could be at this stage talking to everyone without you guys, of course, with Pooja, Hema, and my father. So once again, thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. I really look forward for another successful year and a great party, lot of events, Maxim Tours event. You will see definitely. Whoever wants to write it down, but I'll make sure that I prove them wrong. So thank you so much. We're going to have an event. Mr. Dan, he is going to show some magic so we can have a good magical year next year. And he will take from here. And after the event, we're going to have some dancing where Nalin Bhai is going to lead, right? Come on, now you guys are the heart. I mean, I'm just here talking good and going. That's it. You are the one who is making this thing warm and running. Great. So thank you so much again. Enjoy the party and Feliz Navidad, Happy New Year, all that. Thank you.
Dan, it's to you now.
Oh, very good.
Thank you for
Thank you guys.